Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome to this WinCC Unified tutorial. Today we will cover what an alarm is and what an analog alarm means and how to configure it step by step inside the TIA portal. So what is an alarm? In SCADA system, an alarm is a notification that informs the operator about abnormal or critical conditions in the process. For example, if a pump stops unexpectedly or temperature exceed the safety limits or level exceed from their safety limit, an alarm is generated to help operator respond quickly. And so what is an analog alarm? An analog alarm is used for monitoring a continuous process value such as level, temperature, pressure, or flow. Unlike the digital alarm that is monitor on-off state, the analog alarm monitor value within the defined range. For example, if the temperature of the tank exceeds the 80 degrees centigrade, a high alarm can be triggered. Similarly, if the drop down below 10 degrees centigrade, the low alarm can be generated. An analog alarm help prevent damage to equipment and maintain the process quality by alerting operator whenever the critical threshold are reached. For example, in this tutorial, we learn we have a level transmitter, and if the level go above the 90% or 90 meter, so it's a critical, like that it's a high alarm, and once the level is below than the 10, so it means it's a low or dry run will active. For example, the level is go below than 10, I will put it 7. So here you can see the level is go below than the low limit. So the alarm low is active, and here you can see the alarm is just incoming alarm. For example, now if it will become normalized, so now this alarm no more is there. Here you can see it's showing incoming and outgoing. Now if level reach above then their high limit, for example, I will put the 92. So here you can see the level high alarm is active now. And here we will assign in this tutorial, we'll configure two different classes. For the warning different, and for me the high level is critical level, so I assign the critical class. So if I normalize this level, and now you can see both is coming. If I will click here over the group acknowledge button, so now the both alarm ones together is acknowledged and it will disappear from this pending alarm list. So let's see how we can configure in the WinCC Unified analog alarms. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So I will open it. So in previous tutorial, we already did some initial configuration. I will repeat it again for this. Well, here in the storage system, here you have to configure. If it's off, it means your alarm will not log or destroys. You have to select either you are Here for your case, if you are you select the HMI model number, so in that case here SD card or USB option will be appear. So you have to select that option according to your physical hardware. Either SD card is connected or the USB. Okay, so then the second configuration, you have to come here in the log and then alarm log. So here you have to configure it. In the previous tutorial for digital alarm, we already configure it. So I will just keep it the same. Then you have to, third option, you have to come here in the alarm class. Here for the digital alarm, we already configured in the previous tutorial. And this tutorial will configure the analog alarm. Before configuring the analog alarm, here the classes you have to configure. For this tutorial, I am going to configure warning and the critical class, and we'll see, for example, the warning class. If you can see, the alarm is single mode acknowledgement. So this we have the acknowledgement, and here is the color scheme. And for the critical signal, here is the color scheme, and this one also single mode alarm. So I will select the alarm log for the critical, and for the warning also I will select it. Okay, so you have to, from here you have to select this option. Then we'll go here in the alarm analog alarm area, double click here, and I will write here the level low and alarm description. I will put it the level low alarm. Okay, and then I will select a tag from here. For my case, the tag is a level tag that we are monitoring. So I will select it from here, the level tag, select it. Then it's a low. So in that case, the limit mode will be the low. You can put either lower or equal or the lower. So I want, once the value is below than 10, so then the low alarm should active. I will create one more analog alarm, level into high, and here I will put the level high alarm. Okay, here I will select the change the alarm class as for the low alarm. I will select the warning class, click yes, and then I will, for the high is critical for me, and I will assign the high critical class. And here I want, once the level, this level go above then 90%, then it should show me the high alarm. And this warning and I class we already discussed here. So that's it. I will just save it, the project, and then I will open my alarm screen. I will just explain it here. Like, I just import this from the control area. From here I bring this alarm control, and just drag and drop it here. And after that, from appearance, I just select this window setting none. Okay, this all exercise we already done in the previous tutorial, so I will not do it again. And here I will also show you, like, just select this alarm control and then expand. Here alarm source, here we have lots of alarm option is there. So I'm selecting the pending alarm, so it will show only the active alarm. whatever alarm will active, it will show once alarm is acknowledged, it will disappear from here. So that's it. And here I'm configuring the level, and I just connected tag level tag from here. It's here. Now I will download this into HMI, and from here download, and from here I will select reset all, because whatever the alarm is previously there, I want to just delete all of them. Our runtime is open now. Click here over the alarm. As you can see right now, my alarm limit level is within a range. If, for example, alarm goes below than my lower limit, that is a 10. So here you can see the alarm is came and gone. For example, I will again generate, for example, 5. So here you can see the low alarm is active now. Alarm is low. Okay, for example, my alarm is normalized 48%. Now it's normal. It's showing incoming and going. And if I will put above than 90, for example, 94%. So here you can see I received the critical alarm, that is the high alarm is now active. So in this moment, if I press the group acknowledgement, so only the acknowledge whatever the my low alarm that is will disappear here, but critical alarm still is active. It is showing the incoming and acknowledged, and it will stop the blinking. And if my alarm is normalized, so the this alarm also will disappear. So Alhamdulillah, in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure the analog alarm in the WinCC Unified. Thanks for watching this video.